Folks, come on over. We got another little gift haul and eBay, etc. right here on my take on home and garden. Hey, thanks for coming by, everybody. Got some cute things to show you. Unbelievable things that go with gifts that we had before. Just really cool. Check it out. Right behind me over my head, you'll probably remember a wonderful coffee pot from Jessica and Michael. They are relentless supporters of our channel. We really thank them, and I know a lot of you have thanked them too. In the Oriental style, look at this beauty. They sent the teapot, which goes with the stand, and let me get it right. Made in Japan, 1986, and it is through the Franklin Mint. Look how gorgeous. Oh, I can't get over it. You remember how excited we were over the coffee pot? And at the time, I wasn't sure, you know, it was kind of right there in that zone where it might have been a teapot. I might have even called it a teapot, but as they said, they were so excited to send the... Now you can see the difference. This is the teapot to that series on a stand. Where you're gonna go, guys, just incredible. And you know I gotta thank them just over and over for that one. Like that wasn't enough, okay? This series, again, through the Franklin Mint, has a cup and saucer series, like I guess one for each month, and the sugar and creamer shown here. I was blown away. They're so pretty. Look at this delicate little sweet pea. I can't get over this. Look at the creamer. The creamer's a miniature teapot. Oh man, you guys. Unbelievable. And again, on the stand, I don't know which is worse, the handle hanging off or the spout. You know, I guess you could put it like that. You could put it like this. Anyway, the cream and sugar to match, guys. Just gorgeous. What can I say? Look at this. Really unique and cute. I knew you'd love it. You want to check porcelain? Probably hard for you to see inside there, but it's showing through, and of course, we're over the moon about it. Thank you guys. As always, unbelievable. Great stuff that they send. Like this next character. You remember our buddy Bob from Philadelphia. What a character. He's such a good guy. He sent Angela and I a big box of stuff before last Christmas. Anyway, one of the things that he sent was the coveted Brown Betty. I went nuts over it, right? Made in England. You can look them up. And they come in 4 or 5 different sizes. So this is the original one he sent. I think it's the 4 cup. Okay, what does he do? Like that's not enough. He sends the 3 cup. So here's little Betty. How can you take it? Look at this beauty. See the wonderful clay work and heavy brown glaze? Too good. Really cute. Especially you country folk lovers out there. But you know I'm going to use it. I just did. Use the big one in our knockout autumn table for 5. You just saw it. Like that wasn't enough. Let's put little Betty up here. He never just sends one thing. He sends a box of things. And he doesn't leave anybody out either, like all of you that send anything at all. Here's a 2-cupper. Here's baby Betty. Now where you're gonna go, guys, I do not know. How cute can you get? All I did is mention that they're in different sizes, and Bob, what a character. What a good friend. He gets 2 more sizes. I mean, we love him. Too cute, too good, and what a collection. You know we love our teapots, but this is really special as well. All this. Little Betty and baby Betty. Crack me up. Where you're gonna go for beautiful. So fun to be able to show you these as well. Now again, we're still with Bob. Look at this beauty. In the lusterware finish, gold trim. It's unmarked. So I put this probably in the 40s from Japan. But it is gorgeous. He knows we, he sure does. He knows we love our fruit and gold trim porcelain. And that's what we got here. What a beauty. Really unique and cute. Thank you, Bob. You're something else. See that light through? I know you can see that. Really nice. Next, the guy, he's not done. We know who he's buttering with this one. Angela. And this is from the double V mark, made in Bavaria. I haven't looked that up completely, but it's that double V. It looks like it makes an M. Made in Bavaria. Really sweet. 22 karat gold trim again. And how good. 2 things here that ring Angela's bell. Victorian and pink. Beautiful job. Very nice. Look at here. Oh, uh-huh. Yeah, no doubt. Real sweet. Thank you, Bob. What a character. Now, one more by Bob. Let me try to remember without looking. This is a beautiful commemorative trinket box in the blue and white with a gold rim by Spode of England. There, see? I told you. Mind like a steel trap. As long as I keep it oiled, it's okay. Look at this beauty. And I love the scene. It's a farm scene with a beautiful thatched roof cottage. We'll get that nice and close for you. Very, very sweet. Fine bone china, England. It's numbered, limited edition. What a doozy. Really pretty. This one has to stay here too. What are you gonna do? Thank you, sir. Really good. Just knocking it out of the park, this guy. Along with so many others. They just keep coming. Our very own Elizabeth Cumberbatch from the East Coast. Now, this girl, you remember, she sews up a storm. I mean a storm. Beautiful finished product. It comes flying out of her sewing room. I don't know how they get anything else done down there. Beautiful things. You've seen them. She sent us tablecloths, homemade. Everything's homemade. Look at this. Even the carrier, okay? She does bead work, bracelet work, necklaces. She does her own napkin rings. And that's what she sent here. Beautiful stuff. Beautiful things. Look at this. Now, what'll this go with? That Rambler Rose collection that Angela just got, right? Look at this. 100% cotton. Wonderful napkin. She makes the matching napkin ring. Multiple sets, the girl, and sends it. What a cutie. Don't blush out there now, Elizabeth. I know. You know you're good. She's everybody that puts an order with her knows she's good too. She is a busy bee. And she said she's got all her work done that she needed to get done for the holiday. Now she's got new projects. Honestly, very, very nice. The other thing, I'm not going to forget this time. She said everything I send will be reversible. So here's your French blue set, too. Okay? She's left some out, like this. She's put all the napkin rings that she's made by hand, all the beaded napkin rings, and the top bead, which looks like a little porcelain special piece. Look at this, how good. And all these napkins, you know, and there's 12 because she knows we got the big table. And you can reverse them and you're gonna have this. How slick is that? And only takes up half the room. Really cool. Here's this side. And then the opposite side. Really nice. Thank you, Elizabeth. What a sweet pea. Very cute. And there's 3 or 4 Elizabeths in there. You don't have to worry about changing your name, sweetie, because we know who you are and what you do and what you've sent. So that's up to you. She was joking about maybe she should change her little icon handle there, her name, and I'm going, I wouldn't even think about it. But you can. And look at this. I just want to show you the girl. How detailed, okay? This is just the holder. Now, get under here, get the tie, double tie, and this is a nice velvety ribbon with a little dingleberry on the end, metal clip. I guess a proper way to end that ribbon. Really sweet. Look at this. Where are you going to go? Thanks again. Very sweet of you. And I can't get over all the work and dedication. What a sweet friend. And we appreciate you. You guys that love Capo di Monte, you're going to remember the bigger Capo di Monte that I pulled out of 2 different estate sales. One out of the market up at Mount Dora. And then, just recently, a smaller vase out of an estate sale right here. So Angela doesn't have to hunt it down and pull it out. Here is that glorious vase to look at one more time. And there's a reason. Because while I was surfing the eBay, you know how I'm gonna look at this beauty I come up with. Now, it's not just about throwing a bunch of money around. You guys know how I am. This was on there for $5. And it was part of a fundraiser. And the shipping was like $8. So gladly, that really made me want it with nothing wrong at all. This scale of Capo di Monte vase, and this one has 3 roses, not just one. So loved that today. That's our big deal. The other thing I'd like to tell you is hopefully you're enjoying our 3rd camera today. Like I said, we're always wanting to upgrade and boost our videos and make them extra nice for you. That's going to be a lot of fun. Why do we push like this? Because Christmas is coming. The most incredible, best time of year. I don't have to even say it. All you Christmas buffs and lovers out there. And I want to straighten out one more quick little note. All our friends know where we come from, and you know how we think. But I have agreed to do a Halloween table for 5 this year. Halloween to us is for kids. It's an excuse to have a party, even for grown-ups to dress up and have fun. And to us, we don't decorate for it because it's over in one night. Like that. Okay? That's a lot of work for one night. Christmas, to us, is a season. And some cultures, it goes even beyond how long we celebrate it. Okay, so having to start early doesn't bother me or any of us a bit. And when you have your young folks interested, your children interested in what you're doing and loving it too, even some of the older music, I mean, I get choked up about it. That you can pass on something so good and enjoyable and the reasons that we do it at all. Okay, hey, thanks for listening. And we're going to have fun. The Halloween table is not going to scare anybody out of their mind, but I think it's going to be very artsy. And what rang a bell was the way people were asking and said they knew it would be different and special. And I'll guarantee that. That's what it's going to be. It's going to be fun. I've already compiled things to do it, and I only bought 1 pair of something to do the table. Take care, everybody. Have fun. Get your collections on. Hey, happy hunting, happy decorating, and we'll see you in the next amazing, over-the-top, awesome collector and decorator video. Lots to come. Lots more to come. A lot of fun, too. Take care. See you soon.